In this video, I am going to be showing you some things you need to get ready for if you are trying to start e-commerce business in Nigeria or probably dropshipping. So my name is Ayo. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. On this channel, we speak about dropshipping tips, e-commerce, and the ability for you to be able to advertise this dropshipping or your e-commerce business on most social media advertising network, which is TikTok ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, and so much more like that. So you want to subscribe and drop comment, say Mr. Ayo, let's go. Let's get straight into the point. Some procedure you need to be able to follow. You can be able to plan for this business you want to go into. Now, there is a quote that says, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Number one, the first thing you want to do or determine whenever you are trying to start your e-commerce business or your dropshipping business anywhere in the world is what type of niche are you going to be selling your products within. Let's say, for instance, now you want to be able to determine maybe you are going to be selling beauty products, or maybe you are going to be selling technology, or maybe you are going to be selling some other, and also you want to make sure that your product is what people need, not what people want, or not what you think people are going to want. It is what people need that people are actually going to buy. You want to make sure that your product solve a particular pressing problem, or it makes life simple, or it actually makes people, it boosts the ego of people to make them feel like, yes, I'm trendy, my life is simple, I'm soft, I'm living a soft life, or this thing is actually solving a pressing problem. So you want to be able to determine this. This is one of the very first thing you want to be able to note or prepare for whenever you are trying to start e-commerce or dropshipping business. Now, number two is to discover how you can be able to get in front of those who really need this product or this niche you have discovered. Do you understand? Let's say, for instance, you have discovered a product that can solve problem, or a trendy product that can boost their ego or make them live a simple life. How can you be able to get in front of people who really need this, target them, and they actually buy from you? And that is where social media advertising comes in. Instagram ads, TikTok ads, Snapchat ads, Facebook, YouTube ads. We post about those things on this channel. You want to subscribe right now. And I have a special mentorship for anyone who really wants me to be able to craft out a targeting straight on this social media network, own choice of social media advertising network, and by so doing, they can be able to make massive sales. You can use the link in the description box to chat me on WhatsApp. It leads to my WhatsApp chat. You'll be able to speak to me, hear my voice, and see me one-on-one. Then the number three thing is how to display this product online using an online shop, so that those people you run advert to, whenever they land on, they can be able to buy and purchase this product. Now, that is where Shopify website comes in. You building your shop on Shopify, which is one of the most recommended way for you to be able to get your online shop for e-commerce dropshipping business, or you creating a website on WordPress right from scratch, a custom one, and by so doing, you design it, you place your product there for those people to be able to see and buy. Now, all these things too, we have a mentorship program for it. I help in building it, and I teach people how to be able to set their Shopify store or their WordPress, whatever. It all boils down to price. Do you understand? You can actually chat me on the WhatsApp link in the description box. So now, the number four thing you need to prepare yourself for whenever you want to start your dropshipping and e-commerce business is you want to make sure to determine the best payment gateway to use. Now, you don't want to choose a crappy payment gateway whereby people land on and they are trying to make payments, and the website, the payment provider is just performing rubbish or doing somehow, or probably maybe they actually made payment and the payment is actually getting to you maybe after 1 week. You don't want to forfeit yourself. You don't want to have all this kind of fuck up. Do you understand? Coming up. So you want to choose the best payment gateway and the ability to set up your shop to convince buyers whenever they land on it, irrespective of any country that you are targeting. Now, the last but not the least thing you want to make sure you prepare yourself for is number five. How do you deliver this product to those who actually order for it? How do you deliver? How do you cut out your own profit? Do you understand? Are you going to be delivering this product to people who are outside the country? How do you deliver it? Are you doing drop shipping business? Are you going to ship it? Do you understand? You should be able to know how you are going to be, dealing with your courier service delivery agent. Do you understand? How you can be able to get the best delivery agency for them to be able to deliver your products, and how you are going to be actually cutting out your own profits. Now, this I'm just going to stop here today. We have many tips, many things is inside this place. Do you understand? Because we sell online for the past 10 years, so I know all these things. Do you understand? I've been running ads for many businesses, so I understand the philosophy and the technicality and the mindset behind all these things. Do you understand? So you can subscribe to this channel, look at our other videos whereby we have been able to post on TikTok ads, Instagram ads, Facebook ads, and you can be able to get more, logical. You get what I'm saying? Don't let us talk too much. So I'll see you on the next video. My name is Ayo, and